Hello my dear friends, I am Shweta Parmar and I welcome you on the YouTube channel of Prabhat Exams. Today we'll discuss about how to prepare for UPSC mains exam. Yes my dear friends, the civil services examinations are conducted by Union Public Service Commission, that is UPSC, every year, and it is one of the most challenging exams in the country. This we all know, and it is conducted in 3 stages, that is prelims, mains and interview. This also you all know. So if we want to crack the examinations, then we have to start preparing ourselves 1 year prior to the examinations of prelims. So how we have to prepare for the examinations, this we will discuss today. We have already talked about the prelims examination, how we have to prepare for prelims and the strategies and everything. And today we'll discuss about the mains. So what should be the criteria or the general plan of the preparation for UPSC civil services examinations? Because like I said that we have to start preparing ourselves like 1 year prior. So let's take it from January. So in first month what we should do is that we have to collect the prelims and mains paper of previous years, means not only the current year but the previous years also, so that we can take a look on that and we can see how the questions will be coming. Then from February to May we should focus only on prelims, because first stage we have to clear is prelims. Immediately after prelims exam, start answer writing practice for mains, because generally prelims examinations held between the month of June and August. Hence the candidates should prepare both for prelims and mains exam till the month of next January. So from February to May it is advised to focus only on prelims, because first you have to give those examinations and then immediately after it you are recommended to start your preparation for the mains exam. And you have to start with the answer writing practice. This is how you should plan your study and manage your time accordingly. Yet at the same time we should also keep in mind that there is no perfect study plan for anything, because all we have to do is to make sure that the plan on which we are working is the right one, that we are going towards the right path, that we are taking very right time management skills with us. Why I am asking you to start preparing like from the answer writing practice? Because you must be aware of the fact that UPSC mains exam is descriptive type. You have to write 150 to 300 words answer for each question. Hence answer writing practice is a must for mains exam. Now how should we do our writing practice? We should start taking regular tests along with preparing appropriate notes and the mind maps, as this will help you to link the subtopics inside the topic and to recall what are the points, what you have to write, and you have to remember very easily. I also advise you that while making notes from current affairs, you should also try writing around 150 to 300 words daily from each topic, so that it becomes easy for you afterwards. You are preparing for mains along with the prelims also, and the UPSC mains exam has 9 papers and those papers are there on your screen. You should learn about those papers, you should read about those papers, and please note down those papers and the marks and everything, because that is very important thing for you to learn and for you to remember also, because everything depends on this list what is in front of you. So now you might be noting the marks and everything from this list, and you know that total marks for written examinations are 1750. So another preparation strategy for the UPSC mains is essay. The essay paper in the IAS mains exam consists of 2 sections, A and B, with 4 topics in each section of 125 marks and a total of 250 marks. Usually one section has topics based on general codes, and while the topics in other sections would be of administration related. So we have to choose a topic from each section and write about the topic in about 1000 to 2000 words. Yes, my dear friends, you have to write those many words within the given time of 3 hours. So you have to take writing in practice for you, because it is very important part of the mains examinations to clear about. So let me give you some tips on essay writing. Right, choose the topic wisely, because if you will choose the topic wisely, you have to think about the topic for 30 minutes. So write down all the points at the end of the sheet and then make a structure of that essay. After making the structure for your essay, you have to think now how you have to write it. Don't be provocative. Provide suggestions for reforms. Then in the end, conclude. In the final selection and ranking of the candidate, the essay paper has a big role to play. This paper is all about to understand and assess the personality of a candidate through her views, through his or her ideas, suggestions, values, attitude, and so on. So please be in coordination of your language also and the way you are writing the exam, so that you will nail it. Because not only your communication abilities but your writing abilities also matter. Then comes the current affair preparation. Remember, dear friends, most questions asked about the current affairs would be during the period of June, July and August. But most of the candidates tend to stop reading the newspapers after their prelims. So this time, which is crucial for the viewpoint of mains examination, just remember that. Just remember that. Questions based on current affairs are basically related to history, geography and international relations. And you should be aware of the question pattern. How would you answer that and how you know it very well? So dear friends, I just want to tell you that you have to go according to that list and to know what your questions should be like, how many marks they are like, and how you have to prepare. But the most significant type of exam preparation which I really want to tell you, and the strategy to cover your UPSC syllabus for mains, to cover UPSC syllabus of mains, and they are answer writing practice. You should be very good in it. You have to revise the prelims exam papers. Yes, you have to revise the prelims syllabus as well, and then you have to continue with the main syllabus. So both the syllabus you have to grab easily and you have to cram and drink everything in it. Okay, so with the UPSC exam pattern sometimes change. So each question in the paper itself is of 50 words. Remember, 50 words. So if you repeat the question in your answer, then there won't be sufficient space left. So to complete the answer, try to answer, not to write the question again. So I will suggest you to avoid this, or take important keywords from the question, not the whole question you have to write. Make notes on each topic and then start answering. Writing practice on each subtopics and topics given in the syllabus. We all know that a normal person can write about 100 words per 5 minutes, and it generally takes 2 to 3 minutes to think and then to gather the points and then what to write. So utilize your time wisely. So I hope you are little aware of the preparation strategy of the mains exam. If you have any queries or any questions, or if you want to know in more detail, please write in the comment area. I am always there to answer. I'll come with another topic and the important one for you, to how to prepare for interviews and many other topics. Till then, please stick to YouTube channel of Prabhat Exam and please subscribe it so that you get the notifications. Till then, work hard, stay safe, stay healthy, take care. All the best for your preparations. Thank you so much.